Hi guys, in today's video we're going to talk about asterisk pimple popping and blackhead removal, but not the dangerous, painful way most people do it. We'll cover the asterisk safe step-by-step method, asterisk that helps you remove blackheads and pimples, asterisk without damaging your skin, asterisk without scars, and asterisk without spreading infection. Part 1. What are pimples and blackheads? What is a pimple? Acne? A pimple forms when your skin produces excess oil, sebum. Dead skin cells clog the pores. Bacteria grow inside the clogged pore. Inflammation begins. This causes swelling, redness, pain, and sometimes pus. Types of pimples you must understand. Asterisk, not every pimple should be popped. Asterisk 1. Whiteheads, asterisk closed pores, white or yellow tip, safe type for extraction, if mature, asterisk tonsures. Blackheads, open pores. Oil oxidizes and turns black. Usually painless, can be removed safely. Asterisk 3. Papules, red, inflamed, no visible pus, does. Pop. Asterisk 4. Pustules, red base with pus on top, can be popped only if fully ready. 5. Cystic acne, deep under the skin, painful and swollen. Never pop, requires medical treatment. What are blackheads? Blackheads are asterisk not dirt. They form when oil and dead skin clog the pore. The pore remains open, oxygen reacts with the oil and turns it black. That's why washing harder asterisk does not remove blackheads. Part 2. Should not pop pimples at home. You should asterisk avoid pimple popping if you have severe or cystic acne, very sensitive skin, active skin infection, diabetes, or weak immunity, history of acne scars. In these cases, asterisk professional dermatological treatment is necessary. Part 3. Preparation before pimple or blackhead removal. Preparation is asterisk 80% of safe extraction. Skipping this step causes scars and infection. Step 1. Hand and tool sanitization. You must sanitize everything. You'll need antibacterial hand wash, 70% isopropyl alcohol, cotton pads, sterilized comedone extractor. Wash your hands thoroughly for asterisk at least 20 seconds. Clean all tools using alcohol. Never touch your face with dirty hands. Step 2. Deep face cleansing. Asterisk gentle, non-foaming cleanser. Why this matters? Removes surface dirt and oil. Softens blackheads, helps pores open naturally. Massage your face gently for asterisk 60–90 seconds using lukewarm water. Do not scrub. Step 3. Facial steam. Most important step. Asterisk steam helps open pores, soften hardened oil, reduce pain during extraction. How to steam safely. Boil water and pour into a bowl. Keep your face 8 to 10 inches away. Cover your head with a towel. Steam for asterisk 5–8 minutes. To not oversteam. Too much heat can damage skin barriers. Part 4. Blackhead removal. Step by step. Step 1. Identify major blackheads. Only remove clearly visible blackheads, raised or clogged pores, areas like nose, chin, cheeks. Avoid flat or deeply embedded blackheads. Step 2. Use a comedone extractor properly. Comini. Place the circular loop directly over the blackhead. Apply asterisk slow, even pressure. Do not force it if it doesn't come out. Stop. Try again after a few days. Forcing causes broken capillaries and scars. Step 3. Cotton finger method. Alternative. Wrap clean cotton around both index fingers. Press gently from both sides. Push upward, not inward. Never use fingernails. Step 4. Clean the area immediately. After removal. Use an alcohol-free antiseptic toner. Clean with a cotton pad. This prevents bacteria from entering the open pore. Part 5. Pimple popping. Safe and controlled map hence. Reminder, most should be left alone. Step 1. Identify a ready pimple, safe to pop only if ready pimple, safe to pop only if white or yellow head is visible, minimal pain, located on the surface, red, hard, or painful pimples. Do not pop. Step 2. Disinfect the area, clean skin with toner, sanitize hands again. Use fresh cotton pads. Never pop directly after sweating or working out. Step 3. Gentle pressure technique. Place cotton-wrapped fingers on both sides. Apply slow upward pressure. Never squeeze repeatedly. If pus doesn't release easily, stop immediately. Asterisk Step 4. Know when to stop. Asterisk Stop popping if blood appears, clear fluid comes out. Pain increases, continual, cause scarring. Step 5. Healing and soothing care. Asterisk Apply doctor recommended antibiotic gel, thin layer, aloe vera, or calming gel. Do not cover with makeup. Part 6. Aftercare. The most important part. Asterisk. Immediately after extraction. Asterisk. Ice compress. 2-3 minutes. Pore calming toner. Lightweight gel moisturizer. This reduces redness and swelling. Avoid for 24-48 hours. Makeup, sun exposure, scrubs or exfoliation. Part 7. Common mistakes that cause scars, using fingernails, popping unripe pimples, dirty tools, daubing, dirty tools, over-popping the same spot, using needles at home. These mistakes lead to asterisk permanent acne scars. Part 8. Scar and mark prevention. Use ingredients like niacinamide, Centella asiatica, azelaic acid, low strength. Sunscreen. Non-negotiable sun exposure makes acne marks darker. Part 9. Weekly maintenance routine. Cleanse twice daily, exfoliate once weekly, clay mask once a week, non-comedogenic moisturizer. Daily consistency matters more than products. Part 10. Advanced blackhead, extraction techniques. Not all blackheads are easy to remove. Some are deep, stubborn, and compacted over time. These require asterisk extra care and patience, not force. Understanding stubborn blackheads. Asterisk stubborn blackheads usually appear when pores have been clogged for months or years, skin produces thick, sticky sebum, improper skincare routine is followed, skin is oily and dehydrated at the same time. Common areas: nose corners, chin folds, jawline between eyebrows. Step 1. Softening the blackhead. Before attempting removal, the blackhead must be softened. Use one of the following methods. Asterisk Option A. Warm compress. Asterisk. Soak a clean cloth in warm water. Apply to the area for 3 to 5 minutes. Asterisk Option B. BHA. Salicylic acid prep. Apply 1-2% salicylic acid. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes. This loosens oil inside the pore. Never extract dry, hardened blackheads. Step 2. Two-angle pressure method. Asterisk instead of pressing from one side. Apply pressure from 2 angles. Rotate the extractor slightly. Release pressure and reposition. This prevents trauma to the pore wall. Step 3. Know when to stop. Asterisk stop immediately if skin turns dark red or purple. Pain increases, nothing comes out after 2 attempts. Deep blackheads may need asterisk multiple sessions. Asterisk not force. Part 11. Whitehead and closed calmed 1. Removal is quiet. Whiteheads are closed pores and require asterisk extra caution. Safe conditions for whitehead extraction. Asterisks. Only extractive. Head is clearly visible. Whitehead is soft. No active redness or swelling. Never break the skin manually. Professional pinpoint opening in clinics. Dermatologists use sterile lancets, microscopic openings. Zero pressure tearing. At home, asterisk do not attempt skin piercing. Instead, use salicylic acid regularly. Apply retinoids, low strength. Allow whiteheads to surface naturally. Part 12. Pimple popping. Advanced safe lurk urals. Even ready pimples can turn into scars if handled incorrectly. Golden rule. 1 attempt only. Asterisk apply pressure once. If it doesn't release, stop. Reattempt after 48-72 hours. Repeated squeezing damages collagen. Directional pressure technique. Press upward toward the center. Never push downward into skin. Avoid twisting motion. This reduces tissue damage. Pus removal versus over-extraction. Asterisk stop as soon as pus clear serum appears. Blood equals stop immediately. Blood indicates skin trauma, not acne removal. Part 13. Ingrown hair and sebaceous filaments. These are often confused with blackheads. Sebaceous filaments. They are natural oil channels, light gray or yellow. Refill within days. Do not extract them aggressively. Instead, cleanse regularly. Use niacinamide clay masks once weekly. Ingrown hair care if you see small bump with hair trapped inside, mild inflammation. Do warm compress, gentle exfoliation, antibacterial gel. Never dig or tweeze deeply. Part 14. Post-extraction care. Extraction doesn't end after popping. Healing decides whether scars form. Day 1. First 24 hours. Chyme Freeze. Calming toner. Gel-based moisturizer. No makeup. No sun exposure. Chyme 3 Vs. Gentle cleanser only. Niacinamide serum. Optional sunscreen. Mandatory avoid. Retinol. Exfoliation. Active acids. Day 4-7. Resume mild skin care. Add soothing ingredients. Light exfoliation only if skin is calm. This phase prevents dark spots. Part 15. Scar prevention. Professional approachential aptocrochet HN scars form due to deep inflammation, repeated trauma, sun exposure. Best ingredients for scar prevention: niacinamide, barrier repair, Centella asiatica, healing, azelaic acid, pigmentation control, ceramides, skin repair. Avoid DIY remedies like lemon, baking soda, or toothpaste. Part 16. Frequency rule is blackhead extraction. Once every 2-3 weeks. Pimple popping. Only when necessary. Over-extraction equals enlarged pores. Clear skin comes from routine, not popping. Part 17. When to see a dermatologist. Seek professional help if acne is painful. Pimples keep returning in the same spot. Dark scars form easily. Cystic acne appears. Thank you.